Taglay mo ang galing na sigurado.
Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamalas.
Tunay kay tatak, Piyuenyo.
Kahit subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Dahil kailan may hindi nawawala pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
Piyuenyo, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagniningning ng Piyuenyo magaling. Ikaw at ako, Piyuenyo tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng Piyuenyo ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng Piyuenyo ay di kumukupas.
Tulong-tulong abutin mga hangarin natin. Tayo'y handang matuto, kailan may hindi susuko. Sa galing ng pamumuno, tayo'y naging buo. Maan man ang maraming taon,
Tayo'y pinagtitibay ng panahon.
kahit tayo ay magkakaiba, ngunit tayo pa rin ay nagkakaisa.
Piyuenyo, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagniningning ng Piyuenyo magaling. Ikaw at ako, Piyuenyo tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng Piyuenyo ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng Piyuenyo ay di kumukupas. Piyuenyo,
Orgulyo ikula numitatak oragon sa inmandarhon. Nang imapadaog sa narok sa rabay. May paglaom sa gabos dahil naman ang gandang tunay na utak na Piyuenyo. Pag sinabing Piyuenyo magaling, siguradong titingalain na mumutawi ang pag-ibig sa iyong puso pagkat ikaw ay isang tunay na Piyuenyo.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng Piyuenyo. Kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Taas noo sa kabutihan ng iyong puso. Kahit saan man dalhin ang mundo.
Piyuenyo, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagniningning ng Piyuenyo magaling. Ikaw at ako,
Keep trying to fit inside the lines now.
Once again, good morning everyone, and we welcome you to the First Bicol University's first Innovation Fest with the theme Transcending Innovations for a Sustainable Society.
Divide and get to the bottom. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We'll never fit in with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Would they notice if we got lost?
morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and members of the Bicol University community. Welcome to the OPAPRO Peace Education University Tour at Bicol University, at an extraordinary collaboration between the Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity, BU Library, and Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. This event marks a significant moment as we gather for the formal signing of the Memorandum of Understanding, solidifying the alliance between our esteemed organizations. Additionally, we are thrilled to unveil the Peace Education Resource Nook, a transformative guide designed to inspire and empower individuals on the path to peace. Join us in celebrating the significant initiative that underscores our collective dedication to fostering reconciliation and unity through education. To officially start this activity, I invite everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the Peace Prayer and the Bicol University Hymn with the Bicol University Magayon Dance Troupe.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Praise to the Almighty, fountain of love and compassion, our source of peace. Cleanse our hearts of bitterness and grudge, that we may forgive. Teach us, our Divine Master, to always seek what is good and just in others. Inspire us to be instruments of peace at all times and all places. Guide each effort in our lives so that our faults and transgressions may not keep us from the peace you promised. Grant us your strong spirit of peace, a peace that surpasses our understanding. But most of all, a peace that changes lives and breaks the walls created by our differences. Bless us with the strength of heart and courage of spirit to impart peace, so that there may be unity in times of crisis, amity beyond our diversity, and compassion on this world of indifference. Guide the leaders of our nation. Give them the knowledge and the wisdom they need to ensure that justice prevails throughout our land. Protect and guide our peace builders and peacekeepers. Keep them safe and secure even as they go about their missions in the most violent of places. Give hope in times of darkness and despair, so that we may never lose faith in your infinite goodness. Lead us into the way of peace, so that we may be instruments of your light and love, sowing love where there is hatred, spreading joy where there is sadness, forgiving those who have caused us injustice, comforting those in pain, and healing victims traumatized by war, discrimination, and abuse. We pray in the hearts of all for the guidance of your pure and peaceable wisdom. All these we commit to you, in your most holy name, and in all of your wonderful creations. Amen.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by men of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Beagle University, learning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light. Beagle University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light.
Thank you very much. Please be seated. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to give us the opening salvo, I welcome the Bicol University Magayon Dance Troupe.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Pakulo ang kwintas ng Pinas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Iwanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Pakulo ang kwintas ng Pinas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Iwanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Bicol University Magayon Dance Troupe from the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, trained of course by its director, Professor Karina L. Sales. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to the welcome remarks and the opening message of our beloved university president, no less than Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Please give him a big round of applause.
Executive Director Andres S. Aguinal Jr. at the Office for Plans and Programs under UPAPRO, Attorney Septon de la Cruz, as ayaw talaga. Okay. Represented by the Chief Admin Officer, Jean Cadino, Police General Andre P. Dizon, Acting Regional Director, PRO 5, Major General Adonis Bajao, Philippine Army, Commander 9th Infantry, Camp Elias Angeles, Pilica Marina Sur, the Honorable Congressman of the 2nd District, Kong Joey Saldes Salceda, as represented his son, the Dean of the BU College of Social Science and Philosophy, Attorney Dr. Alex B. Nepomucena, Kuya, the Associate Dean, Program Advisor, Dr. Herbert Tusana, and the rest of the members of the Department of Peace Study, Miss Glenn Aurora S. Julianda. I think the microphone is...
Mic check.
Yes, hello. Okay. And to our special guest, as he represented our dear Secretary Galvez, the chairperson of the GPH Joint Peace and Committee, Major General Francisco Ariel Felicidario III. I think tama na po ako. To our guest friends and to BU officials who are here, to our dear students, isang mabiyayang araw sa lahat. I just celebrated my birthday last Monday and my heart is full and overflowing with thanksgiving. Akala ko tapos na yung mga buhos ng biyaya sa atin nung nakaraang linggo. We've just had a very productive and successful partnership with the Commission on Election for their Register Anywhere program, or SARAP. Having served more than 2,000 students, the general public register and let their votes be counted for the future of our country. Kaya nakakatuwa na meron naman palang isa pang dumating na biyaya. Indeed, when it rains blessings, it is a downpour, siksik, liglig, at umaapaw. This latest event that you are witnessing now, live, through our official app, is indeed an unfolding of another blessing. Our part with the Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity highlights the need to work towards peace as an advocate for a university for humanity. We can only build sustainable societies when we work together to ensure equity, equitable opportunities for all, regardless of affiliation. Thus, today, I am truly grateful because of the MOU to be signed will pave the way to strengthen our peace initiatives in the university, beginning with the launching of the Peace Education Nook right here at our university main library. We thank the 8th President, the Professor Emeritus, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas, for the grand vision of ensuring that BUeños have a learning nook. And as your current president, I am ensuring that this learning nook at the heart of the main campus will continuously be updated and enhanced, beginning with the establishment of this Peace Education Nook. Further, we are equally happy and thankful that our friends from Kalinga State University have chosen to benchmark with us in the sharing of peace education best practices. Lahat ng ito ay mga biyayang hindi dapat isasang tabi. In fact, these are blessings that need to be strengthened and explored further so that Bicol University can continue to become a vessel of graces and blessing, or even a hub of peace and harmony in the region. This is also a welcome to us, not only for Bicol University, but for the public and the communities we serve beyond the university borders. With this, on behalf of the grateful Bicol University family, I welcome everyone to this significant event. To our friends from UPAPRO, thank you for choosing Bicol University. Diyos ang mabalo sa gabos.
Thank you very much, President Nebres, for your message and support, and of course, for advocating for peace. And indeed, this is one blessing that needs to be strengthened towards harmony of everyone. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. It is with great honor and privilege that we welcome our distinguished advocates for peace. And today, we will be listening to the messages, of course, of
our distinguished guests. We have the honor of being in this team company of individuals who played pivotal roles in shaping education, security, and legislative landscape in our region. And so let's listen to their solidarity messages. First, to give the solidarity message is Attorney Septon A. de la Cruz, CESO 3, from the Regional Office of the Commission on Higher Education, who will be represented, of course, by Dr. Jean Cardino from the CHED Regional Office 5. Madam, let's give her a big round of applause.
Pwede sumayaw na lang. Diyos marahay na aga po sa Indogabos. To the guest of honor, Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity, equally represented today by MGen Francisco Ariel A. Felicidario III, GPH Joint Peace and Security Committee Chairperson. We also have Director Rowena T. Lopez of Policy Development Strategy and Knowledge Management Science of OPA-PRO. Honorable Joey Sarte Salceda, our good congressman of the 2nd District of Albay. PGen Andre Dizon of the Acting Regional Director of PRO5. MGen Adonis Bajao, Commander 9th Infantry Division of Camp Ilias Angeles, and to all other guests present. To the hardworking officials of Bicol University, Supadabata, headed by Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, SUC President 4, belated happy birthday. To Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, Dean of BUCSSP, and to all other administrators present, faculty members, and non-teaching personnel. We have students here. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. On behalf of Attorney Septon A. de la Cruz, Regional Director of CHED Regional Office 5, please allow me to congratulate Bicol University for holding the signing of Memorandum of Understanding and launching of Peace Education Resource, NUC. At the national level, the Commission has always been supportive of the programs and activities of the OPA-PRO. In the month of October, CHED is one with your office in celebrating the National Peace Consciousness Month. CHED as well, through our chairperson, Popoy de Vera, also signed Memorandum of Understanding with your office to provide assistance to higher education institutions and government instrumentality to ensure accessible quality education in the new autonomous region in Mindanao. CHED vowed to push for higher education-related initiatives consistent with Executive Order Number 79 or the implementing annex on normalization under the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. In 2019, CHED issued a memorandum order relative to the integration of peace studies education into the relevant higher education curricula. The approval of this offering is in contribution to attaining a just and lasting peace in the country, leading to sustainable development. CHED supports SDG Goal 16, which is about promoting peaceful and inclusive societies, providing access to justice for all, and building effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. At the regional office, CHED Regional Office 5 supports and salutes Bicol University for offering degree programs, namely PhD in Peace and Security Administration, MA in Peace and Security Studies, and AB in Peace Studies. And for producing graduates, especially in the graduate programs, who are change agents, and mostly po coming from the uniform service. CHED also recognizes the contribution of BU for conducting capacity building training for faculty on peace education and for sharing its resources. And of course, the latest will be the launching of this Nook in your state-of-the-art main library. To peace advocates and educators of Bicol University, rest assured of our continued support. CHED is also committed to and stands for peace with various agencies present through our collective works, collaboration, and partnership. With this message of solidarity, we will also call on other HEIs and other stakeholders in the region to join us in providing support to all your endeavors. So once again, to Bicol University, we stand behind you with all our support. With one voice, we stand with you for peace education. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Dr. Jean Cardino. We're so grateful for your presence, Madam. Next up, we have a distinguished leader who plays a crucial role in maintaining the safety and security of our region. Please join me in welcoming the Acting Regional Director of the Philippine National Police, PRO 5, Police General Andre P. Dizon. Sir?
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Hiningi po namin ang inyong paumanhin at wala po dito ang Regional Director ng PRO 5. Umattend din po siya ng equally important activity. Ito nga po yung launching dito sa Bicol ng Better